Once upon a time, in a bustling village, lived a greedy dog who was always on the lookout for food. One day, while wandering the streets, he stumbled upon a juicy piece of meat lying on the ground besides the butcher shop. Delighted by his discovery, the dog quickly grabbed the meat and ran off to find a quiet spot to enjoy his food. As he trotted along, he had to cross a bridge over a swiftly flowing river. Looking down into the river, he saw his reflection and mistook it for another dog with big piece of meat. Greedily, he wanted that piece too. He thought to frighten the other dog and grab that piece from it. He barked at his reflection, hoping to scare the other dog away. However, when he opened his mouth to bark, the meat fell from his jaw into the river below. The dog watched helplessly as the meat drifted away with current. Regretting his greed, he realized his mistake, but it was too late. From that day, the greedy dog learned to be satisfied with what he had and never to be deceived by his desires of greed. The villagers who witnessed the incident often retold the story as a cautionary tale about the dangers of greed. And so the tale of greedy dog and piece of meat become a lesson for generation to come, reminding everyone that sometimes having enough is better than always wanting more. Greed will eventually lead to nothing.